Hello, it's me and
Goggle Man.
Logan. And today we are going to be doing hidden colors. So what you need for this
I'm a ninja.
is any color marker. Sharpie will not work for this. So you're going to need washable. And then you need one of these thinglings.
And a tweezer.
And tweezers. I don't know why you bought those. That's Logan. That is called
Graduated cylinder.
Graduated cylinder.
Mm-hmm.
And what you do is, let me go. Also, you need scissors. 1 minute.
And you need a special piece of paper called chromatography paper.
Chromatography paper.
Photography paper.
And look what she did.
And this is what's gonna. No, those will spoil the ending, Logan. Okay, so what you do is you cut. So then you pour this into
It's water.
the cylinder. That's just water. Logan, pour it in.
How much water did you are gonna pour in, Logan?
10.
10 milliliters?
Milliliter.
Milliliters.
No, pour it in.
Is that 10 millimeter?
Little over.
That's okay.
It's okay. And then, so it's gonna have a little line in it. And then you take a
Why did you move the tweezers?
marker, and then you put a little dot right on the line.
What?
And then,
No, I want to do tweezer.
okay. So, just. What? This is your job.
Drop it in.
I just drop it in
Mm-hmm.
with the tweezers.
That doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter really.
Okay.
And we put the piece of paper in, and it was a little. So it has to be under the dot. So I put it a little over the dot. So all you need to do is just take some water out.
And it's so smushy.
Well, first you gotta take your tweezers and pull it out, and then you have to take out the water, and then yeah. So now we wait like 20 minutes.
20 minutes. So paper chromatography is a tool used by chemists to separate a solution into different colors. And so black is made of what colors?
All colors.
And so that little black dot,
It's gonna be big dot.
it's going to
So you see
separate
it's turning like purple,
into this
huge
rainbow
blue.
colors. And so the darker colors are on the bottom, the lighter colors are on the top, with yellow is so faint right there. And that is chromatography.
Chromatography.